In a town in ARRAH Bhojpur Bihar, surrounded by the Ganga River, lives Nirbhay, a well-loved tutor known for his wit and charm. Nirbhay held classes every week in the town of ARRAH, his smile infectious and his enthusiasm boundless. Unlike conventional tutors relying solely on books, Nirbhay believed in practical learning. One day, as the town geared up for their annual festival, Nirbhay proposed an intriguing idea to his students. "Let's learn through the festival this year," he declared, his eyes twinkling with excitement. His students, a group of curious souls ranging from kids to elderly townfolk, gathered around eager to hear more. Nirbhay divided them into groups, assigning each team to investigate a unique aspect of the festival. One group was tasked with exploring the origins and history that shaped the festival's traditions. Another group was set on a culinary adventure, exploring the diverse dishes that adorn the stalls, each a culinary masterpiece in its own right. Meanwhile, a third group delved into the art and crafts showcased by local artisans, while another focused on the environmental impact and sustainability practices involved in organizing the event. As the festival went on, Nirbhay coordinated meetings with guest speakers, experts from various fields to enrich the learning experience. His approach not only taught theoretical knowledge, but also inspired creative thinking and community involvement. By the end of the festival week, his students had compiled an impressive collection of stories, essays, and artwork that vividly recounted their discoveries. They presented their findings in the town hall, receiving applause and admiration from the townspeople. Through the festival, Nirbhay showed his students that learning could be fun, engaging, and deeply connected to real-world experiences. Nirbhay continued to share his wisdom with an ever-growing number of eager learners, fostering a community of curious minds ready to explore the world's wonders.